Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to check the print quality on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Ensure your Brother machine is connected to your computer through a USB cable, wired network, or Wi-Fi. Open the scanner cover. Place the image face down on the scanner glass. On the touchscreen, select the scan icon. Then select the PC icon. Now select the To Image option. Press Start. The scanned image will be sent to your computer. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.